After starting the computer, first start Precision Toric server. Once the server is working, you need to start Precision Toric main software from the desktop. The software will check licensing information and then give you the GUI. Once this is started, you need to switch to the mobile. Make sure that both the mobile and the base computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now please click on the Precision Toric icon. The software will initially open on the introduction screen, which has the information about the basic working of the software that you can go through. After the introduction, the mobile app will ask you to enter the machine IP and the machine port. This information is available at the bottom of the Precision Toric main software on the PC. Kindly copy the machine IP exactly without any spaces and without missing any dots. The machine port will mostly remain 5000. Once that information is entered, kindly click Save. The mobile app should automatically connect with the main software and give a confirmation as server is up and running and IP connected successfully. After it is connected, click on the camera and now you can take baseline pictures. Apply the ring around the camera and turn it on. Now we'll see how to mark the patient. After topical anesthesia has been instilled, you can randomly mark anywhere near the limbus on the conjunctival side. Try to get the mark within the interpalpebral fissure. Marking on a relatively dry eye allows for a more sustainable mark. Once the marking is done, please allow the patient to blink a couple of times and afterwards take multiple photographs of the patient using the Precision Toric app. Please try to zoom in so that you should have an area covering approximately from brow to cheek and not too much in the photo. Select a clear photo amongst all of them. Once selected, the photo will be outlined in red. Click on Send to PC, which will bring up the demographic screen. Here, please input the patient's name, patient ID, and select the eye. Then again click Send to PC. Within few seconds, the system will identify the landmarks, that is the limbus and the ink mark. Please make sure that only one limbus has been identified, and if it is satisfactory, then kindly accept the image. Once accepted, the image is copied wirelessly from the mobile to the PC. On the computer, first click on Browse. It will automatically take you to the accepted image folder, where you can select the appropriate patient photograph. Please input the toric IL location in degrees as well as the incision location in degrees that you wish. On clicking Submit, the software will once again process the image and show you the limbus as well as the ink mark. Please re-verify the patient details. Click Enter. The software will now start taking live feed from your microscope camera and will start showing guidance on the LCD attached.